Hello students, today we will be making a giraffe. So let's see what do we have in our book. Well, we see a very interesting figure right here and this is a giraffe. Alright, you might be seeing very faint lines of our drawing right here. All you have to do is take your pencil and start making right on top of it. Yes, we will make it right on top of the lines we see initially. Go very slow while making this. Of course, this is a rough sketch, so this needs to be a little lighter. Let's go ahead and make the legs properly. Try and make exactly on top of the drawing we have here. Once we are done with that, make it a little more neater. This looks interesting. If you've made a mistake, not to worry. You can erase it and make it once again. Let's draw this very slowly and nicely. You can hold your book however you like. Make the eyes nicely now. Yes, in an almond shape. We'll make the nostrils right here and then try making the face as well. This looks very interesting. Let's make the hair right here and give it a finishing touch up. Yes, let's do this nicely. Can we do this together? That's amazing. Alright, let's take a color pencil for this one and make this darker. Yes, that is how it's shown in our book. So let's take our dark brown pencil and start tracing this. Yes, instead of our black sketch pen. Let's complete the entire thing in a similar way. Yes, we will go right on top of the pencil marks and start drawing the entire thing once again. Go slow and make the entire outline properly. This is so much fun, isn't it? There are going to be times when your pencil breaks as you're putting a lot of pressure on it. Not a problem. You can take your sharpener and sharpen it once again. This looks amazing. The next step we do is take a lighter brown and start making these spots right on top of the entire body. Yes, let's make the spots wherever we see space. We will start by making smaller spots at first and then start making them bigger as and when it comes to the main part of the body. They will be of different shapes and sizes. Let's make the spots together. Well, yes, when the spots start going below near the legs, they will be smaller once again. Let's make them slowly and nicely. Complete making spots everywhere. That's great! We will now take a darker brown color and start coloring inside. Well, we can also try shading this. Do you know how to shade this? Yes, it is going to be very easy to shade with a color pencil. All we have to do is start by putting pressure on the pencil and then slowly release the pressure for a lighter color. So, wherever you want a darker color, you can put pressure, and wherever you want a lighter color, you can release the pressure. This is how we can shade the entire thing. Look at that! This looks amazing, isn't it? For the back part, we can also try and take a darker shade of brown. Can we do this together? That's brilliant! This looks lovely! The next part is we do the inside of it. Yes, near the face. So let's take a darker brown once again and start making these smaller dots on the face. After that, let's do the ears and the top part. This looks amazing, isn't it? Let's take a lighter brown and do it very lightly on the face. This looks very interesting. After that, we are going to take yellow color and do it right on top. That's interesting. Let's do the mouth part with brown color. And then continue coloring with yellow color. As it's a color pencil, we will have to press it properly and color nicely everywhere. Let's take a black sketch pen and give the eyes a beautiful outline. Yes, that is something which can be done with the sketch pen. The eyes look so nice and attractive, isn't it? That's beautiful. We can now take a light brown color and start coloring the entire body. Yes, let's go only in one direction. Release the pressure and color very lightly. Yes, as this is how it's shown in the book. We will go only in one direction. And after that, let's take yellow color and color nicely over here for a shaded texture. Go very slow while coloring. And of course, do not go out of the shape. Once we are done with that, let's take a dark brown color and do the hair part. Yes, color it very dark. After that, let's take black color and do this part. Yes, we need to make strokes for the hair of the tail. This looks amazing. Give this a beautiful shading effect now. Yes, right here. And then make the bottom part of the leg. That's amazing. Let's color this together and complete it. This looks awesome. Do this color wherever shading is required. This looks great.